A Philippine researcher has recently accused the United States of being the #1 violator of the UN mechanisms, saying it's too hypocritical that they even criticize other countries about human rights records.
That's the hypocrisy of the United States, you know. They're too hypocrite to even criticize other countries about human rights record, that, you know, about democracy, about racial discrimination and human rights violation of other countries. But if you look at the United States, they are the #1 violator actually of UN mechanisms.
The researcher said that the US is trying to contain China to preserve US dominance in the world.
When you talk about the United States, it's been known, no, that they really is trying. The U.S. is really trying to contain China's rights, no, as a contending power, not only in the Indo-Pacific region, but even across the world, no, or globally speaking. It's really their quest to contain China and to preserve their dominance in the world, especially in the Asia-Pacific region.
The researcher called on the U.S. to reflect, saying if it does not change it will lose relevance in a matter of time.
If they don't reflect, and probably they don't change their ways, I mean, they would lose relevance in a matter of time when you talk about global affairs. People will not anymore listen to them.